Welcome back to l.louise Painting Tutorials. In this video, we are going to do a little waterfall. Okay, for this painting, I have done a soft background with the sun and the sky, and then we're going to do our waterfall. We'll do some rocks and then the water falling over it. So I'll start with the rocks. And I'm using a dark brown. And I'm going to add a little bit of blue, just for variation. And a little bit more rocks. I have to have rocks for the waterfall to come cascading over. I kind of think about the pattern the water is going to take coming on the waterfall. So I'm thinking the water is going to come this way, it ricochets, it kind of goes in a back and forth direction. And I'll bring this over this way. I'll make that into one big rock there. Okay, I'm going to clean my knife off. I'm going to do a little bit of a background, a little bit more with the background. I'm going to do some green. This will be the woodsy trees. Add a little bit of dark green for the shadow underneath the trees. And I'll bring this green down to the sides of the stream. Okay, I'm going to add some darker water, which I'm going to use the blue with a little bit of orange. That gives it a little bit of warmth. Okay, for this, this is a darker blue. Will give us contrast when we put our frothy waterfall on top of it. Okay, I'm going to take a brush and tie some of these shapes together just so it's not so distracting. We want the waterfall to be the center of attention. So we'll kind of get rid of some of these higher contrast areas. We'll bring this water off the bottom. Connect the rocks to the water. Connect that rock to the side. Okay, now we are ready for the fun part. We're going to add the water, and I'm going to load my brush or my knife with a lot of white. Okay, this is the top of the waterfall. We just come down. This takes a lot of paint, but it gives it that frothy texture that's so much fun. And then our waterfall is going to come down right here. And then froth is going to go out this way. Get a little bit of that background in there. And I usually take a little bit more white and do a few places where the water is running around the rocks into a little different area. Right there. And there we have a very simple waterfall. And there we have our little waterfall painting. Thank you for watching l.louise Painting Tutorials, and I hope it's been helpful for you. Happy painting!